There is nothing so American as our national parks. There is delight in the hardy life of the open. There are no words that can tell the hidden spirit of the wilderness, that can reveal its mystery, its melancholy, and its charm. The fundamental idea behind the parks is that the country belongs to the people for the enrichment of the lives of us all.
I woke up this morning with a good feeling. I need an adventure that I believe in. If there's a place that's worth exploring, it's Gardiner. Pack up my things and hit the road. I feel like going to Yellowstone. If there's a place that can get me there, it's Gardiner. Let's go to Gardiner. Gather up your friends and go to a place that you already know. A place that always feels like home. It's Gardiner. Montana's really not that far. Camp out underneath the stars. Play a song on my guitar for Gardiner. Let's go to Gardiner.
Let's go to Gardiner.
Let's go to Gardiner.
Let's go to Gardiner.
Let's go to Gardiner.
Gardiner, Montana, nature's favorite entrance to Yellowstone.